Hey everyone, we're going to cover a lot of stuff today. Okay, this is the painting we're going to be making, and I'm going to paint with alcohol inks mixed in the resin. So if that interests you, stay tuned. Then also I'll kind of go over some of the aluminum stuff. I put some backings on them, just some of the stuff I'm working on. That one I put an aluminum backing on, and then this one over here, she's got a pine backing. So glued that down with some 5-minute quick set epoxy. Then also I will be going over this. They put me in a magazine here in Pleasant Hill, so I'll kind of read some stuff off of that. But first we'll go into the painting and we'll get making it. Okay, stay tuned everybody. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be painting with alcohol inks mixed in the resin. Now this is an old alcohol ink painting that I did, just mixed in the resin. Worked out just fine, no fading, nothing really going wrong with it. So figured I'd give these alcohol inks a shot. I'll probably hold on to this one, see how it goes. In today's video, this is the resin that I used. I mixed up 8 ounces of equal parts A and equal parts B, so 4 ounces of each. The colors that I used are Bacard, Senorita Magenta, Pink, Blue Violet, and Baja Blue with some Art Tree Iceland White. Okay, now on Pinata inks, they come in a little dripper like that, so when you mix them, I put in about 10 drips of each, but then on the Senorita Magenta, I actually went a little overboard. I think I put about 15 or 20 in. So this is a super bright painting. So this is a cradle board I worked on and made myself. It has a birch top that's 1/4 inch, and then pine sides that are about 1.5 inches deep. I've got the bottom taped off, so that's what we're painting on today. That's the substrate. I didn't use my graduated cups. What I did is I had some 5-ounce cups, and I just kind of went up to the top line. I know that's about 4 ounces from experience. That's just me, you can use a graduated cup, whatever you want. And right here, I'm just putting down a base layer of resin, rubbing it in with my hands, making sure I coat everything on the side. This cradle board also is primed with some Rust-Oleum oil-based primer. So that's what I primed it with, and then I scuffed it up just a tiny bit with 320. So I've noticed that's been working a little bit better on my sides, Okay, so here's me putting the inks into the resin and mixing them in right there. That pink didn't really come out as bright as I wanted to. You'll see when I get it on the board right here. And then the blue violet was kind of a little dull also, but still really, really pretty colors. And I tried a baby torch today. I did not like that little baby torch, so I went back to the big guy. I was just popping some bubbles there. After I mixed, I had a little bit of bubbles. So just popping some. That is the blue violet I put down, and then the Iceland white. That is the pink alcohol ink, and then down at the bottom is the Baja Blue right there. So those are the colors right there, and then I'm going to use the torch and kind of tilt it a little bit. And yeah, there's the baby torch again. I did not like it. Okay, here comes the big one. The big one should be coming here in just a second. Putting down a little bit more color. All right, there's the big torch and the tilt. And then I was just getting some nice cells and nice lacing, kind of good color blending right there. And all that is just kind of blending all the colors together. They just kind of run over top of each other and blend a-okay. Flip the board around, want to kind of work it from the other direction and pay attention to the blue up there so I didn't lose a lot. So just kind of flipped it around and worked it the other direction. That's kind of what I wanted to do. So I don't know why I did it. It just seemed like, the way to do it at the time. And right here I'm just adding some more of the Iceland white, the white concentrated pigment powder. Or actually, excuse me, pigment paste. It's concentrated pigment paste from Art Tree Creations. I misspoke. Okay, but yeah, that stuff's pretty good. You guys know I rock the Art Tree stuff. I love the Art Tree stuff. It's got really good shelf life too. That stuff I've had, I think, for like 1.5 2 years or so. It hasn't got hard and everything's been perfect on it. Just stir it a little bit and she's good to go. Okay, here I am just torching some more and blending some more colors, and then just kind of flowing it kind of like where I think stuff looks good at. And I'll put down some more of the Baja Blue here and just a little strip of it and just kind of blend a little bit. And then I will go into some great detail in another clip that'll come up right after this. A gal on Facebook in a group called Resin Art Worldwide, which is a really good group, you guys. I'm going to try not to butcher her name, but I think it is Deandra Lamour. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, she wanted to know, she's like, oh, I love the effect. I want to know kind of how you do it. She's like, I totally want to achieve this texture. Very fluid. I never worked with resin, but I already picture it in my head. So, Deandra, I'm gonna try to help you out here. Alright, so here's the next clip. This is the clip that I posted on Resin Art Worldwide with it kind of zoomed in. This is just a different angle, you guys, so you can kind of see how close I get the torch to it. Right there with the tilt, and then this is in live time, so you can kind of watch right there in the middle of your screen towards the bottom. You can kind of see that lacing just starting to happen right there. That's in real time. So there you go. And I kind of slowed this down so you can take a real good look at it, and that's how I achieved that effect. You know, just kind of layered the colors. You know, it went pink, white, purple, white, and then that Baja blue, and then just kind of went whoop and torched right over it. So that's what I did. That's in live time again right there. So Deandra, I hope that helps you out. The products that I use, you know, the Art Tree paste, that's an awesome product. These inks, you know, I play with them a little bit and kind of see the outcome of it. And we'll do a flyover this whole painting here in just a little bit, and you can kind of get a good look at everything. So just figured I'd put that in there for you, Deandra. All right, what else? Oh yeah, I don't know if I said it earlier, but like when you mix the Pro Marine, I mix it for 5 minutes, you know, equal parts A and equal parts B. So I can't remember if I said that or not, but there you go. So okay, we'll do the flyover, and then I'll put some stills in there, and then we'll go over everything else like the magazine and the aluminum and stuff. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'll try to do my best on the flyover of it. She is a super duper bright. You can see some of the, you know, lacing and stuff like that. It really, the camera can't really even pick it up. I'll go get my DLSR, and man, that thing's pretty cool right there. See that? Man, it gets so bright and it just kind of blurs it out. So yeah, there's that. There's the pink, you know, the pink pinata that I use, and then here's the Senorita Magenta. That's the Baja Blue, and then you can kind of see the white. And the white does have a pretty cool lacing. Man, it is so bright. It's hard to pick up those colors. So there is the purple right there, and yep. But yeah, it's got cells and it's got some lacing, and it's pretty cool. I'll go grab the DLSR and clip some stills of it and see if that'll kind of get you some better, you know, detailed pictures. So, all right, hold up, I'll go get it. Okay, here are the stills. Look at that. That is so freaking cool. I had to tone down the light a little bit to get these images, but oh man, look at that. That is freaking sweet up there. Check out that white. That's got to be one of my favorite parts. Look at all of that. That is freaking gorgeous. Yep. So that is, God, I love this stuff. They're so beautiful. Oh, that is just so beautiful right there. I love, 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 love it. Okay. This part of the video will be kind of, God, look at that. That's friggin' awesome. God, I love it. Okay. Okay. Back to the regular video. Okay. Here we go. We'll go back to, I'll go over some stuff. Here we go. Okay. So, we'll do this little magazine part here real quick. So, you know, town I live in, Pleasant Hill, they put me in their little magazine. Just kind of went over some of my art stuff. So I'm on the front. I found something cool too. My cousin John Carroll right there, he's on the back. I thought that was pretty cool. He's got a big old head. If you know John, tell him I said that. So okay, all right, cool. All right, let me go here. All right, there I am. So what they say about me? Ever since the day prehistoric people painted on cave walls, perhaps long before, people have been moved to express their creativity. Throughout countless different mediums, artists have inspired and provoked, entertained their works. Beautiful rooms, buildings, communities, and their stories reveal the passion for their chosen art form. So there I am, you know, and it's got some of my paintings and stuff like that in there. So, and I just kind of wrote in here, you know, I've been working with it for a while. You know, I wanted to get into the arts, found resin art, started working with it, and just kept going. I just fell in love with it and enjoying see how the colors and chemicals mix together and can do all sorts of neat things. I really do, you guys. I really do love that. So I am kind of self-taught, you know. Back when I started doing this, there wasn't a lot of people. And I joined the online groups and kind of, you know, learned from some other people. And guys, this is from my heart, you know. Without this, there's a ton of people that have helped me, you know, along the way. Making friends and, you know, getting to know the people. The people are the important part to this, you know. I really love the people. I love getting to know the other artists, and, you know, that's just, oh, that's where my heart's at, you know. So, rest of the article, you know, it's pretty cool. But, yeah, I love it. I love the people. I love you guys. That's from my heart. So, okay, not gonna make a big deal out of that. Not getting a big head over this, but just thought that'd be cool. Just love you guys, and thanks a lot for, you know, checking that out. Or people in Des Moines, Pleasant Hill. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Nora, thank you for sending her over and helping me out. I do appreciate that. Okay, what else do we got? Yeah, here's some of the aluminum with like gold cells. Been kind of like working on that. This guy right here, this is orange with some, you know, gold up there, red and silver, and just, you know, some lacing, cells, stuff like that. So, okay, what else? Oh, right here. This is the one that I glued the pine backing onto. We'll flip her over real quick. So, just kind of made a little cradled little pine thing. And the reason I did that is because the aluminum, like, it would kind of go whoop, whoop, right in the middle like a canvas does, you know. So I'm just like, well, we better support it. So that's what I did. Let me grab this stuff off the shelf that I used. Hold on. It's this stuff. It's like 5-minute Loctite epoxy. I've got this in another video, like where I glued the brackets on the back. So stuff works pretty good. I mean, it doesn't move. It stays on there pretty good. So it makes it nice and level. And then there's the green one I've been doing. She's kind of pretty. Some gold in there, some copper. Oh yeah, I like that one. So she's cool. Oh yeah, I saw Monica Barnes light some stuff on fire. So, and Tish, you know, Tish has always been like, do you have a fire extinguisher? She leaves some comments and stuff like that. So Tish and Monica, there's a fire extinguisher for you right there. And yeah, so I got her. I'm gonna put her up on the shelf. All right, and then here's the big old guy right there. Oh, it's, I don't know what size this is, but it's big. But I went with like an aluminum one to kind of keep it really thin, you know. So just trying different things. And this is just the back of it, you know. But yeah, next couple videos you'll be seeing the aluminum. And that's it. Okay, we're done for the day. All right, everybody. Bye. Bye. Love you all. Thanks for watching. All right, bye. Here's my website and stuff, you know. So if you want to go there and check stuff out, go right ahead. It'll be in the description. Everything will. Okay, just hit those boxes right there and they'll take you to more of my videos. And I'll even put the very first like alcohol ink video I did up there about a year or so ago. Okay, all right, everybody. Thanks for watching. And if you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be notified when I got stuff coming out. All right, bye-bye.